pros and cons of Printify, Printful, and Gelato to discuss which one is the best for you. Let's get started with Printify. So, Printify connects you with the multiple printing partners around the world, giving you access to a wide product range at competitive prices. You can choose suppliers based on pricing and location, which offers more flexibility. It also features an easy-to-use design tool and integrates smoothly with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. However, because Printify doesn't manufacture products itself, print quality and shipping times can vary, and customer support is somewhat limited. Next, we have Printful. Unlike Printify, Printful on its own production facilities, which means more consistent quality and control. It offers premium products, embroidery, and branded options like custom labels and packaging. Printful also integrates well with major e-commerce platforms and offers fast fulfillment. On the downside, its pricing is higher than Printify, which may reduce your profit margins, and since it doesn't offer multiple supplier choices, there is less room for cost adjustments. Now let's look at Gelato. Gelato uses a global network of local print providers to cut down on shipping times and reduce carbon emission, perfect for eco-conscious brands. It offers reliable quality support integration with platforms like Shopify and Etsy and emphasizes sustainable production. However, its product catalog is not as broad as Printify or Printful, and it lacks some advanced customization features. So those are the key differences between Printify, Printful, and Gelato. If you want variety and low prices, Printify might be the way to go. For premium quality and branding, Printful is a solid choice. And if fast, local, eco-friendly printing matters most, Gelato could be your best bet. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which platform you prefer, and don't forget to like and subscribe.